Welcome to the Mastering Partner-Sourced Revenue Program Introduction. This program is not a traditional partner training. We teach and resource a complete system designed to operationalize growth through structured performance partnering. Our goal is simple: to help you maximize the performance of your partner ecosystem, moving from passive partner programs to predictable, measurable revenue production driven by active partner sellers. Partner programs today are built on enablement, not execution. They rely on training, content, and partner recruitment, but fewer than 5% of partner sellers actually prospect proactively. The result? Low engagement, poor visibility, and inconsistent revenue outcomes. Structured performance partnering is designed to fix the challenges at the root. This training program is built around a clear outcome: a high-performance partner revenue engine. As shown in the model, the target is 10x ROI on your program investment, a 5x increase in active partner sellers, 10 to 40% improvements in engagement, conversion, and close rates, and 100% visibility into execution and attribution. These are not theoretical outcomes, they are engineered results. The Mastering Partner-Sourced Revenue Training curriculum is built on 5 operational pillars that define our structured performance partnering model to include foundational knowledge, prospecting, and enablement, revenue planning, sales production, and finally, performance intelligence. Each course in this program maps directly to one of these pillars, creating a complete operating system for you or your team to follow to produce greater partner-sourced revenue. This is not a collection of disconnected training sessions. This is a system. Each module builds on the previous one, moving from mindset to planning to execution to measurement. The goal of this training program is to transform your passive partner ecosystem into a coordinated, high-output revenue engine. The first step is shifting your mindset, moving from passive enablement to a sales execution model. This training is the foundations training and first class in this certificate program. Next is understanding the psychology of achievement to guide your enablement process and help you as a leader or individual contributor diagnose the root cause of success or failure in your strategy and execution model. Revenue comes from creating active sellers, not enabling programs. In this pillar, we focus on shifting your focus to achievement and activating partner sellers. Principles of Achievement training teaches you to align your goals, motivations, and behaviors to achieve an outcome. We offer an AI assistant to help. The MEDDIC-based enablement training teaches partner managers how to create active sellers and provides an AI assistant to build your enablement story and role play. The combination of these 2 trainings equip you to create active sellers. The Mastering Partner-Sourced Revenue Certificate program starts with reinforcing achievement principles to guide you to a successful outcome. This is a deep dive into how achievement works and how to assess your achievement personality. We define 6 personality types that apply to people or organizations. We supply an AI assessment to help you define your personality and make recommendations on how to transition to high achievement. Structured performance partnering is built on these principles. MEDDIC-based enablement teaches partner managers how to turn passive partner sales reps into proactive prospectors using MEDDIC-based principles to generate proactive behavior, targeting accounts, and executing a joint sales strategy. Planning is where most organizations fall short. In this coaching session, we introduce Territory Revenue Planning, a GPS system to guide you to quota achievement. We will build a metrics-based plan that defines how many active sellers you need, how many accounts to target, what activities must occur, and within what timeframes. This creates certainty instead of guesswork. You will walk away with a personalized territory plan to ensure you exceed your numbers. Planning without execution produces nothing. This pillar focuses on building the production system through 2 tracks: target account mapping using connected probability scoring and AI-driven sales play development. Together, these 2 trainings teach you to resource a production process that create a repeatable system for generating pipeline at scale. Target Account Mapping Reimagined teaches a next-generation methodology that solves the problems with traditional mapping processes. Traditional account mapping is static, subjective, and inefficient. Connected probability scoring changes that. It introduces a data-driven model to identify the accounts, economic buyers, partners, and sellers, and strategies to produce the highest probability of engagement. This ensures your active sellers are focused on accounts where there is a high probability to win. Resourcing your strategy-building playbooks teaches students the elements of an effective sales playbook development process and how to enable playbooks as part of your account mapping process. The class covers shifting from product enablement to strategy execution, sales playbook development, generative AI, and content creation using our AI agent. And finally, sales play management, teaching you how to rotate plays with active sellers. Execution without measurement creates blind spots. In this pillar, we introduce our performance intelligence for management and QBR training. This module teaches you to tracking seller activity, measuring pipeline and conversion, and use AI for analytics course correct in real time. This is how you move from reactive management to predictive performance and system control. When you combine the model and the Mastering Partner Sourced Revenue Training curriculum, you are creating a unified system that transitions your activities from opportunistic partnering to sales execution, from product enablement to active seller creation, from process to planning, from partnering to pipeline velocity, from guessing to full visibility. This is not just another training, it's a transformation to building a partner-sourced revenue engine. If you take one thing away from this introduction, it's this. Revenue doesn't come from partner programs. It comes from active sellers executing a structured plan. This training program gives you the system, the methodology, and the tools to maximize your revenue and solve your visibility and execution issues. Mastering Partner-Sourced Revenue is a certificate program. Complete 6 modules and take a test at the end, and we will provide you with a Mastering Partner-Sourced Revenue certificate and LinkedIn badge. The first module, Structured Performance Foundations, is free to evaluate the program. I encourage you to explore the Mastering Partner-Sourced Revenue Certificate program. This will be the best training investment you will make in partnering. If you have questions about the program or want to discuss team discounts, please contact Craig at channelforce.com.